Hello guys and welcome back to my HTML and CSS tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how to put some images on your website and also transform those images into links. Before I start the lesson, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notification of more lessons. So let's open the portal. And to put the image, you have to have an image and a directory where your page is saved. Mine is in the directory portal, so I have an image here. So let's open page1.html and notepad++. Let's put an image in this web page. And to put an image in our web page, we use image tag. img stands for image, and then src, which stands for source, and this will be where we want the image source tag to search the image. So the image is in the same directory as the file code page1.html. So we only have to type the name of that image, which is img1.jpg. Okay, and here we should close it like this, img. But with this tag and some other tags in HTML, it doesn't work like that to close it. We just put a slash here at the end, okay, space and then slash, and now it is closed. And the same tag we open and close. There are a few other exceptions, but this is one of them, image tag. So now we have our image. Let's see if it works, and let's run it in Chrome. And there it is. Okay, but it is not a link yet. It is just an image posted in our web page. It is not a link, so I want to make it a link. So we have to go here, and before image tag we just put an anchor tag like this here below. A href is equal to, let's put equal to, let's close after the image tag, close with an anchor tag. So image now will be our content of the anchor tag, will be our link. Okay, and here let's place http www.google.com. I want the image to take me to Google. Okay, that's all. Let's save it. Let's go back to Chrome, and you see it is not a link, it is just an image. Let's refresh, and now you see it is a link, and when I click it, it will take me to google.com. Okay, nice. And now how to change the size of the image? What about if I want a bigger image? Well, you can type here height is equal to, let's put 200. Let's save and run it. You can see now the image is bigger. Let's change it to 100 to see the difference. 100, save, refresh, and you see the image resized. And with this height attribute, we can change the image size to whatever size we want. Okay guys, so for this video that's all, and in next video we will start with tables. So if you have any question or suggestion, Let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.